Hello and welcome to this midday market mood check with me Nandita, Khemka and my colleague Yatin, Mota. Well, Yatin, it's an extremely flat market on expiry day. In fact, earlier we were trading with a positive bias, but once again we've slipped into the red. And what's not doing well today is the entire banking pack. Once again, we remain above that 40,000 mark when it comes to the Nifty Bank index. But what's lending support to the index today is the IT pack, the FMCG basket, and the metals pack has also staged a rebound. Among the FMCG counters, ITC has hit a 52-week high and it's the top Nifty gainer today. Aside of that, the top Nifty gainers are Coal India, UPL, TCS. Some of these technology counters are doing well once again. Among the Nifty losers, we have Asian Paints, IndusInd Bank and all the HDFC counters, HDFC Bank and HDFC Life, they are trading in the red. Aside of that, Zee is down somewhere around 8 to 10% and it's a big drag on the media pack. And mid and small caps are under pressure. I think on the mid cap index, it was down somewhere around 100 points or thereabouts. It's an extremely flat market, but a lot of these large cap counters are under pressure. Yatin, among the mid caps, what are you picking up?
So first of all, gas stocks are in focus. We have GAIL, which is proposed to increase its transmission tariff by up to 70%. That's what the CLSA report says. They are bullish on GAIL as a counter, and their target is 125 rupees, which means almost like a 25-30% upside from the current market price on the back of the transmission tariff hike, which could come in as early as mid-March, which is 15-20 days from now. And obviously we have Gujarat Gas. That stock is in focus because they've increased the gas prices. Obviously, we had certain regions of Gujarat which were on propane as a fuel. Because propane as a fuel has increased by 30% in recent times, the switch to gas is really happening, and probably Gujarat Gas will have an advantage as far as that geography is concerned. So both of these stocks opened very well. Obviously, right now GAIL is up 3% with Gujarat Gas trading flat. We also have IRB Infrastructure. The stock went ex-split yesterday. Post the transaction or the corporate action, we had stock moving 15% in trade, but today the stock is down 13%, so some profit taking coming in there. Obviously, as usual, we have the Adani Transmission, Adani Gas, Green stocks down logged in circuit at 5%. But look at the 52-week high candidates today. Finolex Cables, that stock is up 6%, new 52-week high. Equitas Bank, Blue Star and Cyan. These are the few stocks which are in focus, and obviously in IT pack we have Sonata Software.
Yeah, it's been an acquisition, right?
They've done a 600 crore, 700 crore acquisition, which is obviously the upfront payment amount, and post that the stock is up 5% last time I checked.
Right, so mid-cap IT as a pack is also doing extremely well in today's session. Aside of that, Finolex Cables is also gaining on the Nifty 500 index. The Shipping Corp, Zensar Tech, all of these counters are buzzing. Yatin, in the second half, what would you watch out for? What is the kind of expiry you are expecting today, given the fact that we saw such a big sell-off come in yesterday?
So I think, Nandita, it's a tough call to really talk about expiry because markets are witnessing some selling pressure. Obviously 17,500 and 17,600. This is the Nifty range in which ideally the expiry should happen. But the volatility has increased in the past 2-3 days, and it's very difficult to predict if the Nifty really expires at the current levels or probably 50-100 points up. But yes, 17,500 and 17,600 is a broad range in which traders do expect the expiry to settle in today's trade.
Right, Titan is another counter that's among the top Nifty losers today, and when you talk about the Nifty, it is looking to defend that 17,500 mark, trading around that 17,520 mark as we speak. Well, I think we've covered all the movers and shakers in today's session. With that, it's a wrap on midday market mood check, but Yatin will be back with Santo at 3:30 p.m. to take you through how the markets have shut shop during the day. Well, with that, for other news and financial updates, stay tuned to Moneycontrol.